I'll take the Philly cheesesteak stacker. That comes with fries, right? Yeah. And it doesn't come with mayonnaise on it, right? Okay. No pickle. That's it.
Why she come to IHOP and get a Philly cheesesteak?
I always do that.
You be talking about me.
No, that's what I said. She just like you. She's weird, just like you. I remember we went to a steakhouse one time, y'all. This man, it's a whole steakhouse. Nice, fancy restaurant, white tablecloth. He got chicken tenders.
No, he didn't.
He got chicken tenders. I was pissed. I cussed him out.
Where did y'all go?
It was at Chattanooga. But was it Chattanooga?
Pigeon.
Right, you can't go to a steakhouse though and get chicken tenders.
With fries.
It's a little different because IHOP sells burgers. So some people come, they known for burgers now.
No,
So
it's still IHOP.
Right, but IHOP.
International House of Pancakes. Get out your pants, man.
Cause he a grown man.
It's an international house, but you gotta understand the appropriate times where you can do that. Get your hand out your pants. Get out. You gotta learn the appropriate time for you to be able to slide in and then slide out.
It's good. Yeah.
Oh, you was
Don't start today.
Don't start what?
You know what I'm talking about.
What, this unnecessary doctor trip?
See? Here he goes. Good morning, you guys. So, today we are at Cairo's doctor's office. We're gonna do a weight check-in. Kendall always gets so angry because he feels like these doctor's appointments aren't necessary. But, they're not. Better safe than sorry. Right, son? You're looking extra handsome today. Black people always doing stuff they're not supposed to be doing.
Oh, I lost weight. What is that?
Look up. Stop moving. 214.
Oh, 8 pounds.
No, poo-poo. No.
Look, every day.
I know he eat every day.
Okay, so think about this, y'all. I want y'all to think about this. Amber is wondering how Cairo is going to eat after she stops breastfeeding him. But he currently eats everything off everybody.
Okay, you're not saying it right. Okay, so listen, here, take poo-poo because he's on your side. Okay, so we just left the doctor's appointment. Cairo's doing great. He gained a pound. He's now 19.4 pounds. Ooh, sorry, son. He gained a pound in a month. But she asked, you know, they asked you if you have any concerns or questions. So I do have a concern. My concern is he doesn't have any teeth. He's 11 months. And how, because I plan on weaning him at 12 months, like I do all the other kids. How is he going to be weaned? Sit up here, boy. How is he going to be? Son, sit your butt in this chair. How is he gonna eat food or be weaned if he don't have no teeth?
The same way he been eating for the past 6 months. What he gonna do? Switch over and not know how to eat no more now that he ain't got no more teeth?
No, but what I'm saying is normally when I wean them, they have teeth so they can eat like.
He already eating steak.
He don't eat no
Steak, chicken, ground beef, spaghetti, salmon. He don't, not fish.
He don't eat
but
fish.
He eat what else? He eat everything. All I got to say is she extra. That's all I got to say. Look at her extra. Extra is how he gonna eat.
But he is getting a little tooth, like his top right tooth is, you can see like the little bud coming in. But still, he 11. Usually they have like 4 teeth at this point. Like,
Well, ain't nothing we did with him usual. They had him at the house.
that don't got nothing to do with his teeth.
Yeah, dude. Maybe because we had him at the house and he ain't had no medicine and all that from the hospital. Maybe his teeth is actually developing at a rate that they should.
No,
As
they're
opposed
not.
to being
I have
extra
4
fast.
children,
But
and
everybody else was on some things. So maybe since he wasn't on nothing, maybe he's progressing at a regular, normal human being rate as opposed to being injected with a lot of the other stuff that everybody else get injected with when they're born. Since he was born at the house. Could be.
Or could not. What, baby?
All I want to know is how he gonna eat.
Shut up.
How he gonna continue to eat.
Shut up.
That's what he was saying. Like, how he gonna keep eating?
Shut up. Shut up.
Dr. Moore was like, didn't you just say he been eating?
Shut up.
Yes, Dr. Moore.
Don't you just love her?
Yes.
Mommy. I do. I really. Like, I will always drive out here. Like, their doctor now is farther. Hush. You have to wait. Their doctor now is farther from where we live because you know we moved. But I will never change her because she's amazing. Like, call them young kings. I just feel like yes. And she's practical, you know. She's not. I don't know. Kendall says she extra, but she's thorough. That's what it is. She's thorough.
She's still cool, but she's slick extra.
I love you, Dr. Moore.
I love you too, but you're still extra.
What did you do? Son, come here.
You okay, baby? You okay? What'd you do?
Don't push him.
Okay. I'll push him. Don't do that to a big brother. That's so bad. No. Bad boy. Shut up.
No, son.
You are a bad boy. Shut up. Gosh, He's okay.
You okay?
Okay. What'd you do, son?
He said he pushed him.
I don't believe that.
He did. I saw him. He was sitting on him, and I think that bracelet he had, it rammed up in his mouth really bad. I'm trying to cook. I got this going on. I don't know if this is done.
Did you see that?
A crazy fiasco. I managed to make some salmon, green beans, and wild rice. Yum, yum. Alright, you guys. Finally got all the kids down. They're sleeping, except for Paris. I just finished her hair. What a day. It actually started out good. Then when Son smashed, well, I don't know if I explained what happened. Son jumped on Cairo's back and he was holding like a bracelet and it like jammed into his mouth. So it started bleeding, so blood was everywhere. I was trying to cook, plus do the girl's hair. It was a lot going on. So I was just really overwhelmed. That's mom life for you. This one, gotta get some water before she go to bed. But I'm about to edit this video so I can get it out for you guys, and we will see you tomorrow. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe.
Good night.
Good night, Auntie.